Hey, welcome back everybody. Sign here again with episode 41 of my Engineer's Life 2 playthrough, and I need to start paying better attention to the mod page. But apparently there was an update almost a week ago, and one of the things added in is the Masterful Machinery mod, which there's a quest for it now under the, I never did do the alloy kiln quest again, dang it. The engineering tab here. We need to make the manual. Okay. Custom manual made for Engineer's Life 2 to showcase custom multi-blocks made by the team. Visualize custom multi-blocks using visualize option. Okay, so there we go. And yeah, it's a patchouli book. So light engineering block in a book. All right, it's not terrible. Hey, quest complete. Basic machinery, industrial kiln. Large pass-through oven that will significantly increase production significantly. Brick can be produced from unfired clay brick every 2 seconds. Expensive 100 RF a tick. Also produce glass from sand, terracotta from clay, and charcoal from logs. Controller screen facing outwards. It is turned in the diagram due to manual limitations. Okay. "21 quarter reinforced foundation. 10 dark shingle roof. 9 bricks. 6 dark shingle roof blocks. 4 brick walls. 4 brick stairs. 2 external heaters. 2 dark shingle roofs. Chimneys. 1 kiln. 1 conveyor belt. 1 extracting conveyor belt. Industrial kiln is 1 controller. Okay. The item input, outputs, all that. Base layer, second layer, and then third layer. Okay. And there is a visualize button for the whole thing too if we want. So, right, let's look at this again though. We are going here. That is what, 3? There's a 3x7 machine. This thing is going to be massive. And it's 3 blocks tall from the looks of things. So, do have some room in here to work with, don't I? All right, so kind of emptied it out a bit. I've got a lot more room here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I could have it mounted crossways, which I might do there, or have it mounted, you know, lengthwise this way. But there is, well, I just got this quest done. Stone coin for doing the windmill sales, and got a level for making the book. There's a lot we need to make here, but it's not completely terrible, but at least there's a quest book about it. So, external heater, I need 2 of those. I need 2 of these. I made 3. Whoops. Oh well. And, I mean, there's, yeah, like brick. I think I needed like 9 of those. And then there was like a brick wall, right? Is that just like so? Yeah. Is that enough? Yeah, it is. I needed 4 of those. And then there was some stairs, I want to say. Yep. Cool. So there's part of that done. That's easy stuff anyway. Now we need these quarter reinforced foundations. And then I need a bunch of dark shingle stuff. So I was looking up the quarter reinforced foundations, and well, 1/2 reinforced turns into 2 quarters, and then 1 reinforcement block turns into 2 of those. So I get 4 of these, so I need 5 total of these blocks. And that should give me what, 24? The heck just happened there? What? Huh? Okay. something weird just happened there, and I have more of those than I'm supposed to have, right? Okay. Yeah, that was weird. All right, but I can start getting this lined out a bit, right? Hey, and there is that, right? Again, just making sure this counted before I started building this up too much. And we have that. Let's see what we do. Let me get that off my out of my offhand. What's on the other side of this wall? Pretty much nothing. Okay. So I could have it like output through this wall here because honestly, it's just, you know. Well, there was a lantern there, but hey, let's just go ahead and check light levels. Yeah, I figured it would be dark back here. So for center point, like right there, then yeah, and then uh, okay, that worked. Oh yeah. Do I have any chains? Good. Oh yeah. One more block up. That'll work. Right. So, yeah, here's gonna be the fun times, right? It shouldn't be all that bad, right? Let me get that put away. Don't need that or those. I really only needed one conveyor belt for the quest, but I made extras. So I need dark shingle roofs, roof block, and chimneys. So these guys are black dye plus brick. Okay. Right, I need 10 of those. Whoops. Let's see. Okay, get out of here so I can see what I'm doing. Need the roof block, which, okay. Come on, that was weird. Yeah, let's try it again with a little less of the twitchiness there. And that was for 6 of those. Oh, perfect. Then we needed, it was these, wasn't it? Oh, rally. You need soul campfires? I mean, that's not bad. I think I needed 2 of these. And it was like, what, then 6 of these to make some of those. And that's something I'll be playing around with later, but for right now, we're good. And oh, that was actually all the roofing parts as well. Okay, so now I just need this industrial kiln controller, item input, output, and energy port. So then that should be all at machine, right? Yeah, here we go. I need, dang it, really? Am I actually out of, oh no, okay, I'm not out of iron plates yet. Good. Makes things a little bit easier. There is our kiln controller. Redstone controlled conveyor belt, that's, yeah, not a problem. I'm out of steel plates though, okay. Steel plate and steel plate. Oh, wonderful. Uh, dang it. Just thought of something. I took my prices down. So it's not like I can run back to the other base real quick and just, you know, stamp out some plates. And yeah, I need to get those set up again. I'm going to need to run power back through here. And all sorts of other stuff as well. It shouldn't be all that difficult, though. All right, so I've got my presses set up. And for now, I just put an item frame with a plate and a wire on it so I can remember which one's which. But, I mean, it's not a horrible location. I've got power run over here. And, I need to get some sort of setup going to control my diesel generator for now. But we should have enough to start with the... Oh, probably at least the item import. That was that redstone controlled one? Yep. And then item output. And I need an LV capacitor for that. Oh, that's easy enough. And the energy input port. Quest completed. That gives me 5 levels and only takes 100 forge energy per tick, which is not bad actually. And I wonder if I should upgrade these to that laboratory furnace eventually. Completely forgot about it. There we go. Small metal case lab kiln. Solid fuel consuming, updraft, slightly hotter and better isolated than a cobblestone furnace, therefore more efficient. 2 auxiliary slots for storage. 2 stack internal hopper, first done, first outs for input, output, and fuel. Place an external heater into an auxiliary slot and connect power for electrical smelting speed boost. Yeah, it's a speed boost though. I don't think it works by itself, right? So, I mean, I do have external heaters here, right? That's fuel slots. So these are the auxiliary slots. Right, and let's just go ahead then and try... yeah, I do have a relay somewhat close. There's that. And you can hook up to there for now, just for a little bit of power. Give me a stack of cobblestone, would you? Yeah. Let's see. The external heaters would only work for, well, like I said, a speed boost. It doesn't actually turn it into an electrical smelter. So, no, we're not doing that. We're not replacing these with those. Hey, cool. That's, well, a stack of steel plates done already. Now comes the fun part, right? Got everything built. Go ahead and visualize. Right now, here's a question. Oh, that's kind of cool. It adds a little tab for you there, but it doesn't really offer a way to rotate the blasted thing. All right, so Kiln controller goes in the middle. Give me. Right, so you'll go right here. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Maybe that's what the whole reinforced foundation is a part of. The quarter of it is it only replaced, or it replaced the top 3/4 of the block with the brick texture. You gonna do that over here too? Oh yeah. So that's what that whole thing's about, is it mimics the block on top. All right. I mean, I can get behind that. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Kiln, 2 heaters, and a solid brick behind it as well. We'll do that. Kiln. Pretty sure it doesn't matter which way this faces, but we're going to just do that way. Our 2 heaters go here. Now, kind of hard to tell behind, you know, what happened with the heaters, but oh well. So we have an item Okay, so the power goes behind. It's not a brick. It's the actual, like the input port for power. Now, dang it, it just rotates on its own. So green's on the right, red's on the left. And then red, and then yeah, here's the problem. Conveyor belts don't render for crap. Not in these anyway. That's roof blocks, that is actual brick. And so red is the output, right? I'm gonna guess that's where this thing goes. And so that one goes. We have our dark shingle roof blocks can go here, here. Bricks will go here and here, right? I'm liking how it looks so far, though. And then the top layer is like brick, and then the roof blocks. Okay. Okay, I still have some scaffolding on me here. So how's it again? No, not that. Here. Brick, dark shingle roof blocks, and then it was a double brick. Yeah. And then there's that chimney. I think that's the last of the blocks we need here, right? Third layer, top with 2 dark roof chimneys on the dark shingle roof blocks. Okay, cool. Makes sense then. So bricks in the corner, brick stairs, right? Our little chimney guys will go there and there. Oh, look at that. Already started smoking. And we can do that. Nope. Yeah, I'm afraid you're going to do that. There. And failed to construct this machine. Most obvious is I have the belts in backwards. So this would then be maybe like that. And here. Nope. Is there anything else I could have screwed up on this thing? That'd be input, output, controller. Okay. That is my, yeah, that's item input. Are you like particular about which direction this is facing? That might be part of it too. I want to face it that way. Nope. Which that would make no sense anyway. So, hmm. Right, so I completely missed this little bit here. Second layer, place normal conveyor towards the input. Extractor conveyor pulling from output. So I have that in now. You're facing in. And that is our wonderful output there, and that is pulling from the output, right? So if I was to put like that in there, yeah, it just spits right back out at me here. That's all right, and it's still failed to construct a machine. So I tried hooking power up to it, thinking it would fix it. Nope. And I have no idea what else I am missing here. Controller screen facing outwards. Yeah, just turned it. Okay, do the manual limitations. Which that's, I'm pretty sure, is facing outwards. So that, right, because the other three sides just look like regular brick. So I've tried breaking and replacing the controller to get it down there, and it's still not happy with everything here. But holds 100,000 power, so that's not bad. Let me just try getting some, do I have any of the uncooked bricks left? No, I don't. How about just some sand then, right? Apparently there's a recipe to make glass. Actually, I'll just look up recipes for glass here. Yep. Industrial kiln recipe. Sand, power, glass. Okay. Just seeing if it's complaining because it's, nope. Still failure to construct machine. All right then. So looking like my main option is just to completely tear it apart and rebuild it. Not particularly something that I'm looking forward to doing. I definitely got the base layer correct, right? And it was the quarter reinforced foundations. And single roof chimney. Shingle roof, yeah. I'm looking to see if maybe I grabbed something that I wasn't supposed to. And I really doubt it, that there's two blocks that kind of, you know, are functionally identical but different IDs. Shingle roof, we have roof block as well. What those are, da 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 da. And that is, yeah, brick blocks in the corners. That would be, I'm guessing that's the screen, right? And because otherwise I got the whole damn thing backwards. This is the screen here. So yeah, no, I do have it backwards. I got the input and output reversed. Well, that makes perfect sense then, doesn't it? Okay. See if I can kind of luck out here. Nope. Okay. Well, now I do. So, this will be output over here then with, actually, you want the extract conveyor. And you are my input now with this conveyor. Found a structure. Yep, that's what it was. Because I was looking at this going, oh, that's nice and green. And at the same time, this is nice and green. And I was looking at the wrong green block. So, in you go. It is currently smelting. And then we should see it. Yep. Fitting glass blocks onto the ground. So, let's go ahead and get a thing over here. Let's go ahead and, yeah, craft up one of these, right? Hey, look, we have an interface. And I could get some more chutes going. I've got cable on me. That's what I have going on here is just an interface underneath this dropping conveyor belt. So what we're going to do is just blow a hole into the world by accident. You go there, put you there. Interface can go here with that That should actually work perfectly there, right? Maybe there's not like a half shoot. That'd be kind of cool, but yeah, let's go ahead and grab some more sand now. Did I run this out of power? Yeah, I did. Okay. It was running off of whatever power I had left in these capacitors up top. Ah. Updated the pack. My sound muffler settings disappeared, looks like. Alright. Am I dragging the slider around? Yeah, there we go. Flame 10. And so let's go ahead and mute our presses a little bit. Press piston or press smash? There we go. And just for kicks to try this out, can I get... Oh, how? I've actually got more netherite than I thought I did. Oh, it's because I got a netherite block in a compacting drawer. Okay. Yeah, never forget that sign. Okay, that'll work. You've got power, you're cooking. All right, if I go here... Okay. Can't see it because of the chute as being a thing. Am I seriously picking things up to the... Okay. So put that in there. All right. So, torches. Thank you. And... just going to kind of excavate this area out a bit more. And I'm just going to run a cable over like so. Like so, right? And I'm just going to pillar out from here. There, and we should have glass going into the system now. And the thing is, I can't really check if there's anything in here from the chute being in the way. Alright, so glass though, we can go to here, and industrial kiln recipes, show all of those. We have clay brick to brick, sand to glass, we have clay to terracotta, and we have logs into charcoal. Wow, it makes 2 charcoal though. That might be worth something in the future. And actually, can I get that scaffolding back, please? Let's just grab some of that, actually. Let's go ahead and grab ourselves a crate. One of these wonderful ones from Immersive Engineering. And can I get an extracting conveyor belt, please? So we're going to just do like this. I am going to have you set like that. Crate can go right here for now. And anything I put into that crate should go into the smelter. So let's just go ahead and grab a stack of this. There we go. You should be running. You are. Outputting charcoal. Wonderful. That should be going into the system now without a problem. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yep. This is running wonderfully now that it's caught up anyway. So we're good on the B stuff for now. Getting auto-processed anyway. Got my presses back. I've got this wonderful new kiln set up. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it an episode. Next time, We're going to check out something else that updated, and that is there are, what is it called? More Villagers mod got added too as well. And there are new craft or new stations. There's an oceanography, there's a forestry bench, and there's a decayed workbench, which is made from nether bricks and warped planks. Okay. There's a purpur altar, blueprint table, gardening table, and a hunting post. So I figured, let's go ahead and check some of this out. About time I start bringing villagers over too. What I really need, though, is something like ethereal glass. Something I can go through that mobs can't. But I have not found anything along those lines right now. So it's a bit of a shame there. But thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Until the next one. Signing out. Have fun.